Hello everyone, welcome to another video with the Inspire Academy online, and in this video we will be taking a look at prepositions. So prepositions are words that give you some sort of information about the position of an object. They are words that hook the nouns and pronouns onto the sentence. And one important thing to remember with regards to prepositions is that they usually are placed before a noun. So we'll be looking at a few examples of prepositions, the first one of which is the preposition on. So the preposition on is used first to express a surface. For example, the coffee is on the table, or the woman is sitting on the yoga mat, so on and so forth. So another situation in which the preposition on is used is to specify days and dates. Like for example, I have a meeting on the 18th, or my birthday is on the 5th of March. So another situation in which you use the preposition on is to talk about the parts of a body. Like for example, the rings are on her fingers, or the hat is on her head. And lastly, you also use the preposition on to indicate the state of something. Like for example, the clothes are on sale. So let's move on to the next preposition, which is in. So in is used for unspecific times. For example, in a day, in a month, in a season, or in a year. So an example would be, I will visit my friends in an hour. But do remember that it is only used in case of unspecific time periods. So saying I will visit my friends in an hour is unspecific, it's an approximation. But if you were to say I will visit my friends at 4:30, then you cannot use in, you use at instead, because 4:30 is a specific time. In is also used for seasons or year, etc. So another situation in which you use the preposition in is to indicate a location or a place. Like for example, I am staying in a hotel in Paris, or they are standing in a line, or the house is painted in blue. So lastly, in is also used to share a belief, opinion, or a statement. Like for example, I believe in ghosts, or in my opinion, you did great. So the last one is at. At is used to point out a specific time. So like for example, in the previous example I gave, I will visit my friends at 4:30. So you use at for specific time periods. It is also used to specify a place, like for example, we are at the museum. And lastly, it is also used to talk about an activity, like for example, she's good at horse riding. So that was a quick look at a few of the prepositions. There are many more, but this was a quick look into the most important ones that are very commonly used. And I hope you found this video helpful. Do subscribe to our channel so you do not miss out on new videos. And thank you for watching.